hope that was relating to the study of Francis reaction turbine. So anybody having any question from that, so you have now the time to ask a question. Yes, anybody want to ask any question relating to our previous experiments, that is experiment number 3 and experiment number 5, both relating to the study of Pelton wheel, turbo turbine, and study of the Francis reaction turbine. So I hope you have downloaded the slides, you have gone through the video recording of those equipments, machines, and also the video recording of the lectures relating to the discussion on lab manuals. जी किसी को क्वेश्चन हो इससे रिलेटेड तो वो पूछ ले before we start with the next job. Yes. Okay, one thing that I wanted to announce that in next week I will take your online Viva from these three jobs. Job number 3, 5, and 6. Please note it. Today we'll discuss experiment number 6, that is study of the double stage centrifugal pump. And in the next week you should prepare for the Viva from these jobs, experiment number 3, 5, and 6. So next time I will take this online Viva, and obviously you have to be present online. You know how I have been taking it during the previous subject. So same will be the trend, that you have to switch on your cameras and come up with the preparation, and in this way I will ask questions online and you have to accordingly answer them. ठीक है, अभी क्लियर है सी आर? तो अभी जो लोग एंड पे मुझे याद करवा देना, मैं अनाउंस कर दूंगा। अभी कुछ लोग नहीं आए हुए मीटिंग में, या बाद में फिर आप भी उनको कन्वे कर देना। सो नेक्स्ट वीक देर विल बी इवैल्यूएशन वाइवा ओनली रिगार्डिंग द मैनुअल चेकिंग। आई विल अनाउंस इट लेटर। वो जाहिर है अब देखते हैं नेक्स्ट 1-2 वीक तक अगर ऑन कैंपस कुछ होता है तो वो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली फिर अनाउंस कर दूंगा मैं। फिलहाल जस्ट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द वाइवा and that will be taken up next week for whole of your section. So try to be present the whole section, because those who will miss so will not be taken later, or they will not be considered for this viva later. ये जब टाइम पे स्पेशली वैल्यूएशन अनाउंस की जाए तो उसमें हर एक को कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि उस वैल्यूएशन में पार्टिसिपेट करे या आए, जैसे क्विज है या वाइवा है। बाद में फिर आते हैं जी कि मैं इस वजह से रह गया, उस वजह से रह गया, फिर बाद नंबर भी नहीं लगते तो फिर दोबारा आते हैं जी हमारे नंबर लगा दें, ये कर दें, वो कर दें। तो इसलिए स्पेशली जो कि वैल्यूएशन है उसमें आप ज़रूर पार्टिसिपेट करें या ज़रूर आए। सो नेक्स्ट वीक देयर विल बी वैल्यूएशन फ्रॉम दीज 3 jobs, experiment 3, 5, and 6, that is study of Pelton wheel turbo turbine, study of Francis turbine, and study of the double stage centrifugal pump that we will discuss today. So let me start with the recording and share the slides with you. So these slides are already shared. Hopefully you have got those slides, and also the video recording of this machine where the parts of the machine have been shown to you, and accordingly the functions have been discussed. So you should also download that recording and go through it. So experiment number 6, as I mentioned, we have to discuss it today and complete it. So this is relating to study of double stage centrifugal pump. So first of all, in the previous studies we have discussed the turbine, which is a machine to convert mechanical energy which is input to the machine to hydraulic energy, actually hydraulic energy, sorry, which is input to the machine, to mechanical energy in the form of rotation of the shaft. So that was the function of the turbine, to convert the hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. But pump has a reverse function. A machine which converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy, that is called as a pump. So in the pump we provide the, actually we start from the electrical energy. That electrical energy through the motor rotates the shaft, and that shaft rotates the shaft of the pump and to the impeller of the pump. Runner are the impeller of the pump. So in this way we input the mechanical energy to the pump, and as a result we lift the water from low level to high level. That is we give hydraulic energy to water. So that's why pump is a machine which converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. It is used to move liquids from one point to another point, and it produces head and flow in liquids. That is increase energy or head of liquid. So actually, it increases the hydraulic energy of the liquid, this pump, and itself it gets the mechanical energy from the motor. Types of pumps. So there are many types of the pumps available in the market. Following are some common types. You will hopefully discuss some details of these with Engineer Visa in your topic of pumps. Centrifugal pump, reciprocating pump, turbine pump, submersible pump, pneumatic pump or air ejector pump, rotary pump, screw pump, chain pump, pump turbine. So these are some of the pumps that have been used, are available in the market for under certain conditions they are selected and used. So because we are going to study the centrifugal pump in this job, so that's why we will focus on this centrifugal pump. So centrifugal pump is a pump which converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy by action of centrifugal force. And this is produced by rotating the impeller. Impeller means runner. So just like in turbine, we have inside the casing a runner. So in this case, this runner is called as an impeller of the pump, and it is also kept inside the casing of the pump. So what happens actually? Uh, Pump converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy by action of centrifugal force. So remember this centrifugal force, the force which tends to move any object away from the center. And it's just like the case over here, that when we rotate the shaft of the pump, so with the shaft the impeller is attached, so impeller rotates. So when the impeller rotates, so centrifugal force is generated, and due to this force water is lifted from low lying area to high level. It is believed that the idea of lifting water by centrifugal force was first given by Italian scientist and engineer L. D. Vinci at the end of 16th century. A centrifugal pump consists of an impeller, as I mentioned, runner, which carries a number of backward curved vanes and rotates in the casing. So the vanes of the runner of the impeller of the pump are backward curved, and they are placed between the two discs actually. Liquid enters the impeller through the center, and work is done as it passes centrifugally outward, so it leaves the impeller at high velocity. And in the casing, part of the kinetic energy of the fluid is converted into pressure energy. So what happens when water is lifted up? So it enters through the center of the pump. So remember this centrifugal pump is an outward radial flow machine. Outward radial flow machine in which water enters from the center and leaves at the outside or outer periphery of the impeller of the pump. तो पंप जो है इसमें पानी जो है वो सेंटर से एंटर होता है, इसको कहते हैं आई ऑफ पंप. आगे आएगा ये ई वाई ई, आई ऑफ पंप से एंटर होता है, जो कि सेंटर में एक स्पेस होती है impeller के सेंटर में. And while gliding over the vanes of the impeller, it emerges out फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड ऑफ द आउटर पेरिफेरी ऑफ द इम्पेलर। तो इस तरह ये फ्लो होता है, सेंटर से एंटर होता है और बाहर की तरफ मूव करता है सेंटर जो सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स के साथ। तो इस तरह ये बाहर आता है इस एक इम्पेलर से, and then it goes to the second impeller if it is double stage, and then to the delivery pipe. Liquid enters the impeller through the center and work is done as it passes centrifugally outward. तो जैसे ये ग्लाइड करता है उसके ऊपर तो जो वर्क डन होता है और उससे फिर वाटर जो है बाहर आता है। So it leaves the impeller at high velocity. So remember this, when it leaves the impeller, it has very high velocity, and in the casing part of the kinetic energy, अब वो आगे डिस्कस करेंगे केसिंग में क्यों जो है काइनेटिक एनर्जी जो है वो प्रेशर एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है। सो पार्ट ऑफ द काइनेटिक एनर्जी, नॉट द होल, इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू द प्रेशर एनर्जी इनसाइड द केसिंग। Classification of centrifugal pump based on stages or number of impellers. So it is classified as single stage centrifugal pump and double stage centrifugal pump. Yeah, multi-stage centrifugal pump. So single stage centrifugal pump, if the pump has one impeller on the shaft, then the pump is called as single stage centrifugal pump. अगर एक ही रनर लगा होगा, एक ही इम्पेलर लगा होगा, तो इसको सिंगल स्टेज सेंट्रीफ्यूगल पंप बोलते हैं। Then the multi-stage centrifugal pump, if the centrifugal pump has more than one impeller keyed to the same shaft, then it is called and kept in one casing, that is called as the multi-stage centrifugal pump. अगर एक से ज़्यादा जो है इम्पेलर लगे होंगे, एक ही शेफ्ट के साथ लगाए गए होंगे, तो इसको हम मल्टी स्टेज बोलते हैं। What are the functions of multi-stage centrifugal pump? A multi-stage centrifugal pump can be used to increase the head or energy of water. So we can lift water from lower depths in case of multi-stage centrifugal pump. It will give more energy to the water, to supply water to high-rise buildings or high levels, because it will have more energy, more pressure. So we can lift water to higher levels, to lift water from very deep aquifers. So from very deep underground reservoirs, we can lift water by the help of multi-stage centrifugal pump. Then we have the double-stage centrifugal pump. A double-stage centrifugal pump has two impellers keyed to the same shaft. The photograph is shown in the figure 6.1. So this is a photograph. Let me see. This one. So this is a photograph of the double-stage centrifugal pump installed in our laboratory, and also I've shared the video so you can see the components from there also. So some of the components can be seen over here, like this is the casing of the pump. As you can see, it is bolted. It has upper part which can be removed and the lower part which is fixed. So inside the casing there are two impellers. That is why it is called double-stage centrifugal pump. This is the motor given with the electrical supply, and this is the shaft of the motor, and this is the coupling, we call it. The shaft of the motor is coupled with the shaft of the pump. So from this point of coupling up to this, you can see some part of the shaft visibly over here. This is all shaft of the pump. This is the shaft of motor and this is the shaft of pump. So what happens when the motor runs? It rotates, the motor converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. So it rotates the shaft. So because this shaft is coupled with the shaft of the pump, so when the shaft of motor will rotate, the shaft of pump will also rotate. So with the shaft of the pump, two impellers have been provided or keyed. दो impeller लगाए गए हैं. So when the shaft of the pump rotates, the impeller they also rotate. So when the impeller rotates, centrifugal force is generated, and that centrifugal force results in lifting of water from the underground reservoir. You can see this is the priming funnel, we call it funnel. It is used for the priming of the pump. What is priming? We'll discuss later in more detail. That is filling of the pump from foot valve to the casing in case the pump is not functioning when it is started. तो बाद का ऐसा होता है कि पंप को जब स्टार्ट किया जाता है तो वो पानी लिफ्ट नहीं करता, तो उसके लिए फिर हमें कुछ पानी भरना पड़ता है पंप के अंदर, जिसको कहते हैं जिसको प्राइमिंग बोलते हैं। और इसको प्राइम, ये फनल लगी होती है, थ्रू द प्राइमिंग फनल वी डू द प्राइमिंग। दिस इज अ कूलिंग पाइप inside this connection between the shaft and the pump casing to avoid any heating over here. This is the delivery valve. This is the delivery pipe. So water will get out of the casing of the pump through this pipe. Water will be delivered through the delivery pipe. So this is the delivery pipe. This is the delivery flange. Flange is a connection between delivery pipe and the casing of the pump. And this is the valve, delivery valve. This is the delivery gauge. It's a Borden gauge attached on the delivery side, giving you the positive pressure. तो ये कुछ components जो है यहाँ दिखाए गए हैं इस photograph में. So we'll discuss these components one by one. Components of double stage centrifugal pump. There are three main components of double stage centrifugal pump: suction pipe, main centrifugal pump, and the delivery pipe. So let us discuss them one by one. First of all, suction pipe. It is a pipeline connected with the pump on upstream side. तो पंप से पहले जो है अपस्ट्रीम है, पंप के बाद जो है डाउनस्ट्रीम है। तो पंप से पहले जो पाइपलाइन लगाई गई है दैट इज द सक्शन पाइप, बिकॉज इसमें सक्शन प्रेशर या नेगेटिव प्रेशर होता है। प्रेशर इन दिस पाइप, क्योंकि इससे वाटर लिफ्ट होता है, तो लिफ्टिंग ऑफ वाटर इज अंडर द वैक्यूम प्रेशर और नेगेटिव प्रेशर। द प्रेशर इन दिस पाइप इज below atmospheric and a small opening or a small air in this pipe may stop the working of the pump. The diameter of the suction pipe is always kept greater than the delivery pipe. The reason is that to avoid the losses, to minimize the losses, we keep the diameter, frictional losses, we keep the diameter of the suction pipe more than the diameter of the delivery pipe, ताकि velocity कम रहे और जो frictional losses हैं वो कम हो। Following are the parts of the suction pipe, या components of the suction pipe: strainer, foot valve, suction flange, and the suction gauge. So let me show you the diagram that you have to make in the space of figure 6.5. तो ये 6.5 फिगर है, इसकी स्पेस में आपने ये डायग्राम बनानी है। लेबोरेटरी लेआउट ऑफ डबल स्टेज सेंट्रीफ्यूगल पंप, लेबलिंग इस कंपोनेंट्स. So this is a diagram that you have to make over here. So if you see, we start from the suction pipe. This is all suction pipe. This one, this is the suction pipe. This is the suction flange, and this is the suction gauge, giving you the negative. This is a Borden gauge actually, giving you the negative pressure. Suction flange is it is to connect the casing of the pump with the suction pipe. This is the strainer. एक जाली सी लगा देते हैं एट द फुट ऑफ द सक्शन पाइप, ताकि यहाँ जो स्टोन्स वगैरह हैं या इस तरह और जो इस तरह का मटेरियल है वो इसके अंदर एंटर ना हो पंप की. सो स्ट्रेनर इज जस्ट लाइक अ ग्रेटिंग. It's a cylinder, perforated cylinder provided at the start of the pipe, suction pipe, to avoid any trash material entering into the pipe. There is a foot valve. If you see, if you close this valve, so there is this water which is already present in the pipe will not go below. So it is unidirectional valve, one directional valve. If you open it, water will start getting into the suction pipe. It will close it. No water will enter to the downstream underground. This is an underground reservoir in the laboratory from where water is lifted up. Then we have this main pump. We have the priming funnel. We have the delivery gauge. We have the delivery flange. We have the delivery valve and the delivery pipe. So these things that we have to make in this diagram as a part of layout of the laboratory layout of this pump. So strainer, it is a grating or screen provided at the foot of the suction pipe as I have shown. It would not allow entrance of the solid matter, that is wooden pieces, fishes and light stones, etc. into the suction pipe, which otherwise may damage the pump. This is the function of this strainer. Suction flange. It is a flange to connect the suction pipe with the pump. Foot valve, it is a one-directional unidirectional valve provided at the foot of the suction pipe. It permits only flow in one direction, that is towards the pump. Functions of the foot valve are: number one, before starting the pump, it facilitates to hold the primed water in the suction pipe and casing. तो जब हम प्राइमिंग करते हैं तो अगर इस वैल्व को खुला रखेंगे तो पानी जो है यहाँ से नीचे अंडरग्राउंड रेजर्वायर में चला जाएगा, तो इसको बंद रखते हैं हम ताकि जो प्राइमिंग वाटर है वो इसके अंदर रहे, और जब पंप को शुरू स्टार्ट करें तो इस वाल्व को हम खोल देते हैं. So it will keep the prime water in the suction pipe and the casing. After switching off the pump, it keeps the water in the suction pipe and does not allow to drain it if 100% watertight. तो ये इसके दो फंक्शन हैं. Priming. It is the process of filling water in centrifugal pump from foot valve to the delivery valve, including the casing, before starting the pump. This is called as the priming. और ये उस वक्त की जाती है खासतौर पे जब पंप जो है वो पानी लिफ्ट ना कर रहा हो, तब हम इसको पानी को फिल करते हैं थ्रू प्राइमिंग फनल. सक्शन गेज, इट इज अ बॉटम गेज प्रोवाइडेड ऑन द सक्शन साइड ऑफ द पंप. इट इज यूज्ड टू मेजर द मोनोमीट्रिक सक्शन हेड. इसे मोनोमीट्रिक जो सक्शन हेड है वो हमें पता चलता है. HMS वी कॉल इट. HMS मीन मोनोमीट्रिक सक्शन हेड. Then main centrifugal pump, it has following components: spiral casing, impeller, diffuser duct, shaft, priming funnel, air relief valve, stuffing boxes, etc. Spiral casing, it is an airtight chamber which accommodates the rotating impeller. The area of the casing gradually increases in the direction of flow of water to convert kinetic energy into pressure energy. I will explain it. I show the figure that how the area of flow along the flow increases, and in this way the velocity energy is partly converted into pressure energy. Pressure at the inlet of the casing is below atmospheric because it is the suction side, and at the outlet above atmospheric, that is the delivery side. It is a case of opposite to Francis reaction turbine. तो Francis reaction turbine में क्या होता है, इनलेट पे प्रेशर पॉजिटिव होता है, आउटलेट पे नेगेटिव होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे इनलेट ऑफ पंप पे प्रेशर जो है नेगेटिव है और आउटलेट पे पॉजिटिव है. फ्रंट एंड साइड व्यूज ऑफ द केसिंग आर शोन इन फिगर 6.2, वेयर सेक्शनल प्लान इज शोन इन फिगर 6.3. सो फिगर 6.2 अगर आप देखें, दिस वन, सो यू कैन सी elevation of the casing, and this is the cooling pipe shown attached, and these are the air, somewhere is the air relief valve also. This is the priming funnel and this is the valve to the funnel. These are the side views, one side view and this is the other side view. तो ये आपने बनाने नहीं है, ये बने हुए हैं ऑलरेडी. जैसे बताया दिखाया गया केसिंग किस तरह की है इसकी. ये अपर पार्ट है केसिंग का जो कि शो किया गया है. Figure 6.3, you can see the sectional plan of double stage centrifugal pump. So again, if you see, this is all casing. ये इसका upper part है casing का और ये इसका lower part है casing का. This is the pipe going to the second eye. ये एक pipe है जो कि eye of impeller जो है उस पे जा रहा है. Eye of eye mean the some space at the center of the impeller where the water enters the impeller. That is the eye of the impeller. This is the packing of jute. या jute mean आपने वो सुना होगा बोरियां जो होती हैं, इसको jute जो है बैग्स कहते हैं उसको. तो जहाँ पे शेफ्ट और केसिंग का कनेक्शन होता है वहाँ एक बॉक्स सा बना होता है, जैसे इधर भी है यहाँ भी है. तो इसके अंदर हम फिल करते हैं जूट, इसको जूट पैकिंग या स्टफिंग बॉक्स कहते हैं. सो वी मिक्स द you can say grease with the jute strings and fill inside to, actually it is done to avoid the leakage, क्योंकि यहाँ प्रेशर अंडर प्रेशर जो है वो लीकेज हो सकती है जहाँ पे शेफ्ट और केसिंग कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं. तो इसके अंदर हम कुछ मटेरियल को फिल कर देते हैं, इसलिए उसको हम स्टफिंग बॉक्स बोलते हैं या पैकिंग ऑफ जूट बोलते हैं. दिस द बॉल बीरिंग where the about which the or through which the shaft will rotate. This is the eye of impeller. Eye mean the central portion of the impeller where the water enters the impeller. This is the eye of the second impeller. So after the water, first of all, water enters the eye of first impeller, and then it goes to the outer periphery of the second impeller as first impeller, and then from there water gets to the eye of second impeller, and then finally it gets to the outer periphery of the impeller and then goes to the delivery side. This is the delivery pipe, this is the delivery gauge, and this is the delivery valve, and this is the delivery flange. This is the suction pipe shown, this is the suction gauge, and this is the suction flange. This is the electric motor, and this is the shaft of the motor coupled with the shaft of the generator. This is the coupling that has been done. This is a figure showing various components inside the casing and outside. Then the impeller. These are the rotating wheels in the double stage centrifugal pump and consist of series of radial backward blades, curved blades or vanes in between two circular discs. So just like the Francis turbine, दो सर्कुलर डिस्क के दरमियान जो है इनको ये ब्लेड्स को लगाया जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द इम्पेलर. ड्यू टू द रोटेशन ऑफ द impeller, centrifugal force is produced on the liquid, which produces kinetic energy in the liquid. Water enters at the center of the impeller, which is called eye of impeller, and moves more or less radially outward, and then leaves from the outer periphery of the impeller with a very high kinetic energy. Material of which this impeller is made is normally bronze, brass or cast iron. Diffuser duct. It is a conduit or passage for the flow of water from outlet of the first impeller casing to the inlet of or center of the next or second impeller. तो बेसिकली एक पाइप है, एक डक्ट है जो कि फर्स्ट इम्पेलर की जो वाटर है उसको सेकंड इम्पेलर के सेंटर तक पहुंचाती है डक्ट. सो इट इज अ कंडुएट और पैसेज ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ वाटर from outlet of the first impeller to the inlet or center of the second impeller. Its area of flow gradually increases in the direction of flow to convert some kinetic energy into pressure energy. तो इस तरह बनाई जाती है कि इसका एरिया ऑफ फ्लो ग्रेजुअली बढ़ता जाता है, तो इस तरह जो है वो काइनेटिक एनर्जी जो है कुछ प्रेशर एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. देन द शाफ्ट. इट इज अ रोटेटिंग रॉड सपोर्टेड बाय बेरिंग्स. As you know, it transmits the mechanical energy from motor to the pump. This is a function of the shaft in case of pump. Priming funnel. It is a funnel to prime the pump to fill water in the pump before the start. Then the air leaf valves. These are the valves used to remove air from the casing while priming. तो इसमें अब यहाँ क्लियर नहीं है, जब आप विजिट करेंगे तो देखेंगे कुछ दोनों तरफ जो है एक दो वेल्व्स बने होते हैं, तो जब हम इसको फिल करते हैं तो एयर वहां से निकल जाती है. स्टफिंग बॉक्सेस. as I've shown, at the contact point between the rotating shaft and the stationary casing, there are chances of leakage of water due to which casing cannot maintain pressure inside. The contact point should be filled with the sealing material to make it airtight. The boxes in which sealing material is filled are called stuffing boxes. Usually jute string along with grease are used as sealing material. This material allows the rotation of the shaft without any leakage at the contact point. Then the delivery pipe. So delivery pipe is provided, a pipeline provided on the downstream or delivery side of the pump is known as the delivery pipe. This is actually the outcome of the pump. कि पंप ने वाटर को लिफ्ट करके आगे डिलीवर करना होता है, तो जो आउटकम है या आउटफ्लो है पंप से वो डिलीवरी में आएगा. द प्रेशर इन दिस पाइप इज अबव एटमॉस्फेरिक. It consists of the following components: delivery gauge, delivery flange, and the delivery valve. Delivery gauge is the bordering gauge connected on the delivery side of the pump to measure the pressure on the delivery side. ये पॉजिटिव प्रेशर आपको बताएगा. डिलीवरी इसमें जब द वीडियो दैट आई हैव शेयर्ड उसमें इन दैट द वैल्यूज ranges of these I think have been mentioned. वो आप सुन लेंगे जब तो you will know. Delivery flange, these are the flanges to connect the delivery pipe with the centrifugal pump. Delivery valve is a gate valve on the delivery side of the pump to control or regulate the discharge. Function is to control the flow rate through the pump, and it also facilitates to hold the prime water on delivery side. These are the figure that you have to make. 6.4 पे आपने ये figure बनानी है. You have to show the suction part of the suction pipe and mainly the casing, and main thing to show that the area of flow along the flow is increasing. तो असल चीज़ आपने जो शो करनी है इसमें कि along ये flow की direction ये वाली है. This is the flow direction. So along the flow the area of flow is increasing. So that's why the velocity energy, kinetic energy is being converted, partly being converted to pressure energy. क्योंकि प्रेशर इनलेट पे जो है नेगेटिव है और आउटलेट पे प्रेशर पॉजिटिव होता है. तो कैसे प्रेशर बढ़ता है? क्योंकि एरिया ऑफ फ्लो बढ़ रहा है, इसलिए वेलोसिटी एनर्जी जो है वो प्रेशर एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. दिस इज द सक्शन पाइप एंड डाया ऑफ सक्शन पाइप इज मोर देन द डाया ऑफ डिलीवरी पाइप. ये चीज़ आपने ध्यान में रखनी है कि इसका डाया कम शो करना है, इसका ज़्यादा शो करना है. और ये चीज़ शो करनी है कि एरिया जो है अलॉन्ग द फ्लो वो रेडियल फ्लो जो है बढ़ रहा है. यहाँ एरिया कम है, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता एरिया बढ़ता जा रहा है. इधर इस पॉइंट पे एरिया ज़्यादा है, जैसे ये डिलीवरी पाइप पे जा रहा है वाटर. ये दिस इज कॉल्ड ओवरऑल कॉल्ड स्पाइरल केसिंग. एंड इफ यू कंसिडर एनी particle of the liquid or fluid, so it will experience the centrifugal force, which is mv square over r. This is called impeller, and these are the backward curved vanes of the impeller. This is the shaft, and this is the priming funnel. So this figure you have to make in the space of 6.4. This is the flow chart of water circulation through the double stage centrifugal pump. So first of all, water is present in the underground reservoir. It go when we switch on the pump, first of all water will go to the strainer. It will pass through the strainer, then to the foot valve, and then to the suction pipe, then to the eye of first impeller, and then center of first impeller, and then it will go to the impeller outer periphery of first impeller, and then it will go to the casing of first impeller, and then it will go to the diffuser duct, and from there it will go to the eye of second impeller, then to the center of second impeller, then to the second impeller, and then to the casing of second impeller, and then delivery pipe, and then finally again in our laboratory it will go to the underground reservoir. So this is how circulation of water continues while we are running the pump. This is the diagram that you have to make in space of 6.6, showing the longitudinal section of the pump, showing mainly sealing material in the stuffing boxes. तो ये आपने फिगर यहाँ बनानी है. तो मैं चाहे थोड़ा बड़ा करके दिखा देता हूँ. So this is the figure that you have to make over here. This one. So if you see, the main purpose is to show that these boxes are filled with the jute packing or stuffing. So actually this is the shaft, this is the motor, and this is overall casing of the pump having two impellers, one impeller and two. It's a double stage centrifugal pump. This is where the shaft ends, and this is the connection of the shaft with the casing on both sides, on this side as well as on the other side. And these are the boxes which are filled with the jute packing with along with the grease to avoid the leakage. This is what you have to show. Another thing that is shown with the dotted line, if you see, this is called as a diffuser duct. इसको हम देखें तो ये डॉटेड लाइन, क्योंकि ये अंदर होती है केसिंग, ये सिर्फ डॉटेड लाइन से शो किया गया है. दिस इज द डिफ्यूजर डक्ट. There are two diffuser ducts have been provided which take water from the casing of the first impeller and to the eye of second impeller. and there is another diffuser duct over here taking the water from the casing of the first impeller to the eye of the second impeller. तो ये दोनों आपने यहाँ शो करनी है diffuser duct. तो यहाँ से लेके ये आई ऑफ सेकेंड इम्पेलर तक है और इधर भी इस पॉइंट से लेके आई ऑफ सेकेंड इम्पेलर तक है. दिस इज हाउ दे वर्क. एट द एंड you have to show the you have to fill some data and this data can be filled when you will come on campus for the psychomotor assessment. So during that you can fill this data और यू कैन ऑल्सो गो थ्रू द वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग. तो यहाँ भी वो कुछ डाटा का बताया गया, अगर बताया तो आप उसमें नोट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज अबाउट टुडेज जॉब. इफ एनीबडी हैविंग एनी क्वेश्चन प्लीज आस्क. यस, किसी क्वेश्चन है आज की जॉब से पूछ ले. यस
सर, वो प्राइमिंग फनल का जब आपने डिस्कस किया था तो उसमें से दो क्वेश्चन है. पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि सर आपने इसमें बोला था कि सम टाइम पंप जो होता है वो फंक्शनल नहीं होता, तो उसकी सर क्या पॉसिबल रीजन हो सकती हैं कि वो फंक्शनल ना हो?
हाँ,
तो
बाज का हाँ
जी जी,
इसके
तो उसमें
बाद का पंप की जो सक्शन साइड है ना उस पर एयर आ जाती है. ठीक है, तो उस वजह से पंप जो है वो फिर पानी लिफ्ट, पंप चल जाता है लेकिन पानी लिफ्ट नहीं कर रहा होता. तो फिर हम पानी को फिल करते हैं ताकि वो एयर खत्म हो जाए, फिर पानी लिफ्ट हो जाए. ठीक है जी.
ओके ओके सर, ओके सर. और सेकंडली मैंने ये पूछना था सर, जब प्राइमिंग फनल में हम वाटर डालते हैं जब पंप फंक्शनल ना हो, तो सर उस पानी जब डालते हैं तो वो सब प्रैक्टिकली भी ये देखा है कि जब पंप में पानी डालते हैं तो वो पंप पानी उठा लेता है. तो सर बेसिकली पंप के अंदर क्या ऐसा मैकेनिज्म होता है कि वो पहले पानी नहीं उठा रहा होता, तो दोबारा जब उसमें पानी डालते हैं तो वो पानी उठा लेता है?
वही है ना कि एयर आ जाती है ना, जब एयर आ जाएगी तो सक्शन नहीं होगी, सक्शन जनरेट नहीं होगी. तो जब एयर रिमूव हो जाएगी वो पूरी एयर, जहाँ जहाँ एयर है वो सारा पानी भर जाएगा, तो इसलिए वो फिर फंक्शन करना शुरू कर देगा. ठीक है जी. एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? Yes, anybody having any other question from today's job? तो इन स्लाइड्स को आप डाउनलोड करें. इनकी जो है इसकी जो वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग है, इसकी जो आज की रिकॉर्डिंग वो भी आपको बाद में मिल जाएगी होपफुली इस वीक के एंड तक या एक दो दिन तक. तो इन तमाम चीज़ों को आप लें और नेक्स्ट टाइम आपने यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द वाइवा. नेक्स्ट टाइम देयर विल बी वाइवा फ्रॉम 3 jobs: experiment 3, experiment 5 and experiment 6. Study of Pelton wheel and turbo turbine, study of the Francis turbine, and study of the double stage centrifugal pump. So as I mentioned already that you have to come online in groups. वो मैं WhatsApp के थ्रू करूँगा कि कब किसने ज्वाइन करना है, और उसके you have to before this check your camera that it is properly functioning so that you can come online through camera, and I will ask you questions from these jobs, and accordingly you have to answer. So those who are absent today, so CR please let them know that next week there is Viva, and again nobody should miss it. बाद में फिर आते हैं जी कि वो ये मसला हो गया तो वो मसला हो गया. तो कोशिश करें जब भी वैल्यूएशन हो तो उसको आप ज़रूर उसमें आएँ और उसको दें. Yes, at the end again, anybody having any question from today's job, please ask before I end this meeting. So I will end the meeting over here. I will send the Excel sheet to CR. Please mark the attendance. अपने पास ये रिकॉर्ड रखते रहें, बाद में फिर मैं आपसे ले लूँगा. ठीक है?
ओके सर.